Fourth round of commander-level talks between India and China was held at Chushul border post in eastern Ladakh. The last meeting was also held in the same venue on 30th June. The talks was mainly focused on the second phase of disengagement along the line of actual control. In Rajasthan, Congress holds another legislative party meet in Jaipur on Tuesday. On Monday, Congress Legislature Party passed resolution supporting Ashok Gehlot-led government. The Ashok Gehlot-led Congress government plunged into crisis after Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot declared open rebellion. Pilot had claimed that the Gehlot government has been reduced to minority as over 30 Congress MLAs are supporting him. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with Google CEO Sundar Pichai via video conferencing on Monday. Sundar Pichai briefed PM Modi about the efforts undertaken by Google to help spread awareness and provide reliable information about COVID-19. He said that the strong step of lockdown initiated by the Prime Minister set up a very strong foundation of India's battle against the pandemic. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also appreciated the proactive role played by Google in battling misinformation and conveying information about necessary precautions. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman chaired a meeting to review the implementation of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana through video conferencing in New Delhi on Monday. The Finance Minister highlighted the need of carrying out awareness activities to ensure dissemination of information among all farmers in view of scheme becoming voluntary. She also stressed on the need for states to release premium subsidy on time to ensure timely settlement of claims. The Income Tax Department carried out search and survey operations on 3 groups on Monday. These operations are being carried out at 20 premises in Jaipur, 6 in Kota, 8 in Delhi and 9 in Mumbai. One of the groups covered is involved in several business activities like hotel, hydropower projects, metal and auto sectors. The second group is engaged in the business of trading of silver, gold, jewellery and antique silver articles and as associate enterprise in various other countries like UK, USA, etc. as well as properties and bank accounts in these countries. The third group is involved in hotel business. The Central Board of Secondary Education declared Class 12 results on Monday. Trivandrum performed best amongst all regions with 97.67 pass percentage, followed by Bengaluru region with 97.05 percentage, while Chennai stands at third position with 96.17 percentage. Total 11,92,961 students appeared in the exam, out of which 10,59,080 students passed the exam. Ministry of Railways, with the goal of transforming Indian Railways into green railways by 2030, has taken a number of major initiatives towards mitigation of global warming and combating climate change. Railway electrification, improving energy efficiency of locomotives and trains and fixed installations, green certification for installation stations, fitting bio-toilets in coaches and switching to renewable sources of energy are parts of its strategy of achieving net zero curbing emission. In Bihar, AIIMS Patna has started human trial of coronavirus vaccine on 10 volunteers selected by hospital authority. Several people offered to take part in trial, but only 10 people were selected for the process. The first dose has been given to selected people, and after interval of 14 days, second dose will be given. Doctors are keeping strict vigil of those people who have taken dose of vaccine. For this, a team of doctors has been constituted. World Health Organization has warned that the pandemic is worsening globally and that there will be no return to the old normal for the foreseeable future. The Director General of the World Health Organization, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, said that the virus spread is worsening in many countries. He called for countries to come up with comprehensive strategies to deal with the pandemic and noted that roughly half of all new cases are in the Americas. California's Governor Gavin Newsom on Monday claimed new restrictions on businesses as coronavirus cases and hospitalizations soared. The governor said that children would be made to stay home in August. The governor also ordered bars closed and restaurants and movie theaters, zoos and museums across the nation's most populous state to cease indoor operations. Gyms, churches and hair salons must close in the 30 hardest hit countries.